Hi. In the previous session, we have given the demonstration for exploiting a target machine where the MS package which was missing over there is MS 17010. In this session, we'll try to hack the Metasploitable 2 target machine to exploiting the port number 5900 VNC. So we have the Metasploitable machine here, and let me just clear the screen. If you find the IF configure, because as we required the IP address of the target machine, it is 192.168.1.9. So our first step is to metasploiting this. We need to scan what are the ports are open on this particular machine, that is 192.168.1.9. So we're giving the curly. So it starts scanning all the ports which are running on this machine. It takes few seconds time to scan all the ports, whether those ports are open or closed or uh, the filtered ones. So here you can see the two. It scanned one IP address is up. It scanned all these ports. Out of that, 977 ports are closed or remaining ports are open. In this demonstration, we'll try to discuss to access the target machine by using the virtual network computing. So here the service VNC is running, port is open, running on port number 5900, and TCP connection is used for connection establishment purpose, the for target and the attacker. So we'll look into this in closer, that to explore these particular port. So as usual, we need to go to the MSF console, run the MSF console. It takes 10 to 20 seconds of time to establish it, and then once the MSF port, the prompt is up here, then we try to search the VNC. Here it is given that the port, the VNC, its version is also given, that is protocol version is 3.3. Let us try to search or select that particular exploit. So we use this search VNC 3.3 version, protocol version. Then it given certain exploits here. So there are 8 exploits are there. Out of these 8 exploits, we'll try to use the auxiliary scanner VNC. So in the auxiliary scanner VNC log into the the target machine on scanner. So we use this port. That auxiliary number is given, that 4. So use 4, the auxiliary scanner port. So yeah, so in this you can use the show options. So in the show options, it is giving the details that what are the current settings and what are the required one. The anonymous login is false here, but that requires attempt to log in with the blank username and the password. So you may set this to the anonymous, set the anonymous user. Uh, Copy, and you can set this. Oh, is the anonymous login with blank, or set this anonymous login is true. So and then check the options whether it is set or not. So it is set to true, and then for the passwords, it don't require any password. The password to the test, and the remote host which needs to be set down here. So we set the remote host the remote hosts are 192.168.1.9 is the remote host. Then check the options. Typing mistake. Okay. You check the options. It is set to 0. Okay. It is set to target 1. And then the username is blank and the password is false because trying to try the username as the password for all users. So then you can here it is giving stop on success. False is set to, required is yes, and it is set to false. So let us set this as set the stop on success is set to true. Okay, once everything is good, then it is good to go. Then you can start exploit the machine. So the auxiliary module is execution is completed. The login is successful. The password is also successful on the target machine. So let us use that I mean, to run the machine, we first run the service PostgreSQL start, and then we can check the status by giving the service PostgreSQL status. It is running. So then we can issue the command that VNC viewer for the target machine is 9 and hit enter. It will ask you the password for authentication purpose. So just give the password, by default password. It is opening the target machine. That so it looks like you are working on the target machine itself. So there the command prompt is open here. Here you can see this. You can work on the local machine, like you can check what are the just give command ls to check that what are there on this particular machine. So you're finding the desktop, the root log, reset logs, and vnc log is there. You can change this by giving the changed directory, that is the desktop. So you change the directory. If you give the ls command, nothing is there in the directory. So if you keep on giving Metasploit and site change, you can do the various operations that. So this is the another simple example of giving the hacking the Metasploit 2 by exploiting the port 5900 for VNC virtual network computing. Thank you.